I received an email from SocialBee that told me that my Twitter account is no longer connected. So I went to see what happened, and Twitter switched the account connection using Twitter's API version 2. It was a bit confusing and took me 2 hours to figure it out. So I thought that sharing this information will help others. Although I'm going to talk about SocialBee specifically, this is what you should do to connect Twitter with API v2 for all other automation posting services like Publi, Zapier, etc. Go to Twitter Developer Portal. Twitter is moving toward making the website for paying user, which is why they now charge for verification and API usage. There is an option to get one API for free. But if you use multiple automation services and need more API keys, you'll find 4 plans available: Free, Basic, Pro, and Enterprise. The free plan has limited capabilities, allowing 1,500 tweets per month, and provide access to only one API ID with Twitter. I couldn't find any information about what one app means because I'm not a developer. It seemed that if you use any website that automates posts to Twitter, you can only connect it to one such website. If you have any other insights on this topic, feel free to share them in the comment section. To get started, sign in to the developer portal. You'll have the option to continue for free. Next, you'll need to specify the purpose for your app. When I created my account, I followed the instructions from Publi's website. You can use their information as a reference and customize the text. Inform Twitter that you intended to use this automation for positive and business purposes. Check all the boxes to agree with the terms and conditions and submit the form. Navigate to the developer dashboard and see the second menu item for project and apps. Click on it to access your project that Twitter has automatically created for you. You also find the app associated with the project. Enter the app. You need to go to the user authentication setting. This is the essential step to secure interactions between your chosen automation tool and Twitter APIs. Now you'll arrive at a new page where you need to inform Twitter about the actions your app should perform and how it should publish the information. You'll specify what tasks the app is allowed to do on your behalf. In my case, I selected the option for read, write, and direct messaging in the app permission section, and then for the type of app, I choose the web app. Next, you'll need to provide a URL, which you can find in your automation website docs. Let's see how you can find this URL in SocialBee. This applies to most other websites as well. In SocialBee, navigate to the option for connecting the API. You'll see a link to access the documentation that guides you through the setup process. Look for the screenshot for the exact step you are currently at. You'll find a link that you can copy. This link informs Twitter where to fetch the information from your app and authorize it to post for you. You can see here in the Publi docs that they have it also in the same place on the page. Now you paste that to the right line, and in the next one write your website. If you don't have a website, then I found an old answer that you can put your Twitter profile instead. Try it. If it's working, then well, it's working. If not, maybe someone in here in the comments could help you with different option. Then when you save, you get to give a permission again, and you get your client ID and key secret. For some websites it's fine, and that's all you need to set the connection between Twitter and the website. But sometimes they need more keys, like in SocialBee. To do this, go back to the developer portal. Look for the project and app section and choose your app. Then you can go to keys and tokens. The first option is to get the client ID that you already got, but because it is secret, you only get that in the first time. However, if you didn't copy and paste it, or you need to reconnect, you can create new keys by clicking the regenerate button. If you need to provide more digits, it is probably the tokens, which are different numbers than the client ID. You have another option for access tokens and secret. If you generated that before, you can regenerate it too. But first press the revoke button. Now you have the digit for tokens, and you can add them to the list of keys and tokens on the automation website. Then it should be okay to get connected. For me, it took me some time to connect, and I regenerated the keys a few times. If you ever need to change the keys for a new app, the best way is to delete the app and start over. You can delete the app for Twitter by going to the app setting and scrolling down. You'll find the delete app option. You can't delete the project. At least I couldn't find a way to do that. Then start over by creating a new app. And if you want to learn more about SocialBee and how to automate your posting to Twitter, you can go to this playlist.